question 6 of exercise 6.1. Question 6 is, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. XY is produced to a point P. Draw a figure from the given information, and if ray YQ bisects this angle, find angle XYQ and reflects QYP. I have just read the statement. We are not provided with a figure. We have to draw the figure. So first of all, that it is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree and XY is a line XY, okay, and XY is produced to a point P. I am producing this line and this is a point P, X, Y and P. Now, it is given that angle XYZ, X, Y and Z angle. When angle will be formed? Angle will be formed when there will be a ray and this will be vertex. So, X, Y and this will be Z. Okay. So, angle X, Y, Z, this is equal to 64 degree. We are done. XY is produced to a point P. Draw a figure, and if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, where is angle ZYP? ZYP. This is angle and ray YQ. YQ means we can take ray as this. This is YQ. And this ray is bisecting this complete angle. And what does this mean? Bisecting means bi means two, sect, bisect means it is dividing this complete angle into two equal angles. Bisect means it is dividing this complete angle into two equal angles. So find angle XYQ. Where is XYQ? XYQ. It means we have to find this angle and reflects QYP. Where is QYP? QYP. This, but this is QYP. We have to find reflex, and reflex, when we have to find reflex angle, we will subtract this angle from 360 degree. Now let's move to our first part. First of all, write given. Given is angle XYZ. This is equal to 64 degree. Now ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. It implies angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. Okay. This angle is equal to this angle. Now we have to find the angle XYQ. Now if these two angles are equal, I can consider them as angle A. Okay, I am taking this as both of these angles as angle A. Now you see ray YZ. Ray YZ stands on a line XP. Ray YZ stands on a line XP, and these are two adjacent angles. So sum of these two adjacent angles is 180 degree by linear pair axiom. So you can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYP, this complete angle, is equal to 180 degree. This is by linear pair axiom. Okay. This angle and this angle, sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. Now YZ and this is YQ. Now see this. This is XYZ, which is given 64 degree, plus angle ZYP. ZYP is made up of these two angles, ZYQ plus angle QYP, and it is equal to 180 degree. Okay, I am just writing angle ZYQ plus angle QYP in place of ZYP. Now ZYQ is equal to angle QYP, which is equal to A. I took this, I considered this. So 64 degree plus A is equal to 180 degree. So 64 degree plus 2A is equal to 180 degree. Now 2A is equal to, it implies 2A is equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. It implies 2A is equal to 10 minus 4, 7, 1. Okay. 116. And finally, it will give you the value of A as 116 degree, that is divided by 2, that is 58 degree. So we have value of A. Value of A is ZYQ, this angle and this angle. This is 58 degree. Now the question was, we have to find angle XYQ. XYQ. And see, angle XYQ is made up of these two angles. So this is 64 degree plus this is A, and A is 58 degree. So it will give you 112 degree. First part is done. Angle XYQ is equal to 112 degree. Now the next part was angle reflex QYP. First of all, see that what is the measure of QYP. QYP is A and A is 58 degree. Now we have to find the reflex QYP, and for finding the reflex QYP, what will you do? You will subtract the value of angle QYP from 360 degree. This is the formula to find the reflex of angle. So 360 degree minus QYP. QYP is A and A is 58 degree. It will give you 302 degree. Reflex QYP is equal to 302 degree. This was all about our question.